How to download and install YouTube app in Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install YouTube application in Windows 11. In order to do so, here I'm going to use the Google Chrome. Simply open the Google Chrome web browser on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Once logged in, you will land on this homepage. Now here in the search bar, you will need to type in youtube.com. This is the official URL of YouTube. Now once you have entered this URL, press on the enter key of your keyboard to search for it. Now within a while, you will be taken to the official website of YouTube. Once you reach to this page, here at the top in the search bar, at the right side, you'll be able to see this icon, which is represented by a screen and a download icon. When you hover your cursor over it, it says Install YouTube. You just simply need to click on this icon and then a pop-up will appear. In this pop-up, you will need to click on this Install button. Simply click on it. And soon after doing that, the application will be installed on your device. Once it has been downloaded, you will see this pop-up on your screen. Now you can just click on this square icon at the top right to maximize the screen. Now you will be able to use your YouTube application. You may also go to your desktop homepage and there you'll be able to locate the YouTube app. So this is how you can download and install YouTube application on Windows 11. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.